When working with surds, these are the general rules. I'm going to give you an example of each one of these. Root x times root x gives you x. So for example, root 5 times root 5 would give you 5. As an example of this, root 15 is root 5 root 3, because 5 3s are 15. A second example of this would be root 20, which is root 4 root 5, because 4 5s are 20. But we know that the square root of 4 is 2, so this is 2 root 5. An example of this, root 2 over 3 is root 2 over root 3. For a second example, root 4 over 5 is root 4 over root 5. But we know that root 4 is 2, so this is 2 over root 5. Here are 3 questions for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answers, press play. To answer this first question, I can see that 8 times 2 is 16, so this must be root 16, which is 4. Another way of doing this would be to simplify root 8 first. Root 8 is root 4 root 2. Then I want to multiply by root 2. I know that root 4 is 2, so this is 2 root 2 times root 2. I then know that root 2 times root 2 is 2, so I've got 2 times 2, which is 4. It's the same answer. 32 is 16 times 2, so root 32 must be root 16 root 2. I know that root 16 is 4, so this is 4 root 2. Root 8 over root 2 is the same as root 8 over 2. 8 over 2 is 4, so this is root 4, which I know is 2. In this harder question, I'm going to start by multiplying out the brackets at the top. 3 times 2 gives me 6. This times this gives me 9 root 2. This times this is minus 2 root 2. And this times this is minus 3 root 2 root 2. Simplifying, I get 6. 9 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 7 root 2. And then here, root 2 times root 2 is 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. So I have minus 6. I now have 6 minus 6, so that goes, and I am left with 7 root 2. This is the top of the fraction. I need to put this over root 18. I can rewrite root 18 as root 9 root 2. I know that root 9 is 3, so the bottom is 3 root 2 and the top is 7 root 2. I can then cancel my root 2's, leaving me with 7 over 3. Here's a question for you to try. Press pause and have a go. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Multiplying out the brackets, we get 36 minus 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3 minus 3. This gives me 36 minus 3, which is 33, and this is all over root 33. 33 can be written as root 33 root 33. This is over root 33. I can now cancel, leaving me with root 33 as my answer. Here is a difficult exam question for you to try. Press pause and have a go at it. When you're ready for the answer, press play. Here's the answer. If you have this correct, you can stop this clip now. If you haven't, you can carry on watching and I'm going to go through it in detail. Our strategy for this question is going to be find the area that's left. That's this area here. Put it over the area of the large rectangle and multiply by 100 to find a percentage. Now, to find the area that's actually left, what we need to do is find the area of the small rectangle and take this away from the area of the large rectangle. So that's the first thing I'm going to do. So the area of the small rectangle is this side multiplied by this side. That's root 2, root 3, which is root 6. The area of the large rectangle is this side multiplied by this side. That's root 8 multiplied by root 3 plus root 12. I now need to multiply this out. 8 multiplied by 3 is 24, so this is root 24. And 8 multiplied by 12 is 96, so this times this is root 96. Now, I know the area of the small rectangle is root 6, so I really want to take a factor of root 6 out of these. If I do that, I have root 4 root 6 for 24, because 24 is 4 times 6, and I have root 16 root 6 for 96, because 96 is 16 times 6. Root 4 is 2, and root 16 is 4. So I have 2 root 6 plus 4 root 6, that gives me 6 root 6, and that's the area of the large rectangle. To find the area that's left, I need to take the small one away from the large one. So this is 6 root 6, take away root 6. Now what I've got here is 6 lots of root 6, take away 1 lot of root 6. So that gives me 5 root 6. That's the area that's left. I now need to put this over the area of the large rectangle and multiply by 100 to get the percentage. So I have 5 root 6 over 6 root 6 multiplied by 100. I can cancel the root 6's, giving me 5 over 6 multiplied by 100. This is 500 over 6. I can cancel this fraction to 250 over 3. This is a top-heavy fraction. To make it a mixed number, I say how many 3's in 250? That's 83, with a remainder of 1, which gives me 1/3. So our answer is 83 1/3%.